Let's see here. Hey, there I am. Hey, this is Elgn from the Cracktastic Plastic Podcast. I thought I'd do an unboxing video on this live Instagram. So let me see if I can turn it back around and we'll get her opened and see what's in the box. What's in the box? What's in the box? Alright. I got a trusty knife here. And get her open. I mean, I know what's in the box because I ordered it from Amazon, so, I mean, you guys don't know. I know. Oh, what did he do again? Oh, he got more Funko Pops. Look at that guy. Cyclone. Terror Claw. Skeletor. And King Randor. Look at them all. Oh, I got a gift card that my daughter gave me for my birthday. So I was like, oh, I'll just go buy some Funko Pops on Amazon because they were cheap. And so I got 3 of them. There they all are. Alright. That was pretty much it. Kind of a short one. Alright. Later.